Pressure control valves has two functions. One, it controls the incoming pressure on your water mains, and two, it serves as an expansion valve. All Cobra pressure control valves has an arrow embossed on the side. This is to indicate the direction in which the valve has to be fitted. All pressure control valves are color-coded, making it easy for the plumber to identify the different pressure categories. How does the pressure control valve work? Here we can see the spring is pushing down on the diaphragm and spindle, pushing the spindle washer away from the main seat and allows a clear passage so that the water from the inlet side can flow under the diaphragm through the main seat and out of the outlet. This would normally happen when a tap is open. So when a tap is closed or the water on the upstream side is stopped, the pressure would very quickly start to mount under the diaphragm, which overcomes the weight of the spring. So whatever the weight of the spring was, let's say 340 kPa, when the pressure on the upstream side gets to 340 kPa, it overcomes the spring, pushes it up and pulls the spindle with it, and the spindle then closes the main seat. Here we can see a typical operation of a geyser. Water coming in from the pressure control valve side, fills up the tank and then released by the hot water outlet. So as we know, when water is heated, it expands, and expanded water is released through the pressure control valve into the atmosphere, and I'll explain to you in a bit what happens inside the valve. So when water expands, the expanded water needs to get out, and this water can't get out through the main seat because that's already closed. So the only other thing the valve can do is to push the diaphragm further against the spring, and the diaphragm lifts off the release seat, and this happens between 380 kPa and 400 kPa. It then clears the passage for the water to get past the release seat and drip out the overflow. All Cobra pressure control valves carry a 2-year warranty, and Cobra genuine spares are readily available.